are on a mission today. We are going literally 45 minutes out the city just to go to one of the popular beauty supply stores in Illinois. I've been wanting to go to this beauty supply store for forever, but most importantly, I've known about Sam's Beauty online for years. Like, I used to get my synthetic wigs from there. I used to get little products for there. It's like a popular beauty supply store online. But when I found out last year that it actually had a store in Illinois in Melrose Park, I was like, I had to go. I never had a chance to go, but today we are going and I'm going to check it out. And when I'm there, we don't get all like, of course I'm going to go shopping. I'm not going to go there and not buy anything. For me, I need to re-up on my products, but also for the girls that are new to wigs or not sure what products to use when it comes to wigs, this video is for you. I'm definitely going to show you guys the products that you need to get. I have a list of things I have to get. I'm going to see what Sam's Beauty Warehouse is really giving. Is it giving what the girls been saying online on TikTok? You feel me? Is it really like that popular or whatever? Is it like online, like I can find hella wigs? Because that's also something that I want to look for, is to make sure I can find a lot of wigs. I'm definitely looking forward to see what wigs they have, and I'm definitely here to re-up on products, and y'all gonna see the products that I use. Not the products that I use, the products that I need to install a wig, and you guys can also get these same products. And of course I would do a separate video of like how to install wigs for beginners, because I'm pretty sure like there are some girlies out there that still need help, and I have no problem with helping you guys. So yeah, I'm in a rush, I'm trying to hurry, and y'all gonna see me when I'm on my way there. We're gonna be right back. Alright y'all, so I'm on my way to Melrose Park, and I didn't appreciate how my Uber driver was speeding and it's pouring rain outside. But I'm just so happy that I'm on my way there, and I got my little helper with me, my bae, and he's happy to go too. It was supposed to take us 45 minutes to get to Melrose Park, okay? But how my Uber driver was driving, we got there under 25 minutes, and plus traffic was pretty light too. I was so excited we finally made it there that I took pictures outside in the rain like a crazy person. But when we made it inside, baby, it was like heaven on earth. Do you see how big this place is? Oh my gosh, like I was excited, but low-key my man was excited too. Maybe a little bit more excited than I was, because this is supposed to be for me, but now he's looking for some cologne for himself. I don't understand. I left my man in the cologne section and I took a tour myself and started walking down the aisles, and they literally have everything you need in this beauty supply store, okay? And I finally came across the aisle that was just for me, all the supplies that you need to install your wigs. And low-key, when I saw them prices, I saw like they are very, very cheaper than the city. Oh, and don't let me get started on wig caps. $1 wig caps, HD wig caps. Yeah, I got that. And then on top of that, I found an elastic band for $1 too. Put that in the cart too. I pulled out my handy dandy list, and it was time to go to town. And I went to the front of the store, and that's when I started to find everything that I really need, okay? So they had all the adhesive glues, even the sprays, traveling size stuff, everything you need in the front of the store. And I also found like a travel size lace spray and also the mousse too, so I could go ahead and lay my lace down and make it look like scalp, you feel me? But then when I was on my way back, I seen that they had a deal on these eyebrow razors, and you know we need that, okay? But this beauty supply store has literally everything. They were stocked up on so much stuff. Like whatever you're looking for, they have it. Not even for the wigs, but also for the natural hair too. After I explored the front of the warehouse, I made my way to the back, and I finally found what I came here for, and that was the wigs. When I tell you the amount of wigs that they have here, they have so many, to synthetic to human hair. Whatever you need, they got it. Whatever viral wig you have seen on TikTok, on social media, it is here. When I tell you it's like wig heaven, I did not know where to start, what to look for. There were so many different wigs that I saw and that I wanted. It was a little bit overwhelming, but I definitely enjoyed myself. If I was working up here, I would have made bank. I'd have been taking everybody's money, making sure everybody got the right wigs, okay?
I know that's right, man.
I used to work at a beauty supply store. You heard me right. I used to work at a beauty supply store before the place burnt down, but I would have had so much fun if I work here because there's so many different wigs that I could just dress people up in, and also for myself because all these different wigs, you just give me so many different ideas and looks that I can do myself. The crazy part is all this exploring I did, I haven't even made it to the back. There's so much more wigs I have to look for, so I just said fuck it, let me make my way to the back and see what else they have in this warehouse. Okay, and when I made it to the back, the wigs were even better than they were in the front. Do you see this? Okay, this wig is so cute. But then I also came across another wig that's blue and yellow, and it reminded me of Tokyo Styles. If you know, you know.
Wow. Yeah. What you say about?
I said, give me that. I need that.
What?
I want that.
What?
I gotta have that.
What?
Gotta have it. I came across this blonde mullet wig that I've been wanting for months, so you know I already grabbed that. But when I went to that back wall, it's even more wigs. Do you hear me? It's like never-ending wigs. Even though I didn't see all the wigs, I definitely wanted to make my way to the bundles of hair and see what they had going on. And yes, they had everything you need with every brand, and I like that too. So if you're an Illinois girly or you're a girl that likes to travel, definitely come check out Sam's Beauty Warehouse or check out their website too, because you will be left satisfied. But with everything I got with the two wigs, everything was under $150, which isn't bad. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite synthetic wig brand and what you want to check out, or what brand should I check out at this beauty supply store? I will be back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then you're missing out on some good content, girl. Bye, my babies.